Good morning. Good morning. I hope you're having an amazing morning. Let's get to the trading. Today we're looking at Bctx Mito Slno Nvcn Trch, guys. So those are the stocks that are moving this morning, and I'm watching Slno right now. Slno has news. It says it receives orphan drug designation from FDA for treatment for glycogen storage disease type 1A. And the top gainer is Bctx. Bctx currently on a downtrend. Okay, we can break above that. We have room to $8. Mito, top gainers currently down below 200 EMA, below VWAP. Slno. Okay, Slno looking for that 135 break. So we can break that. As you can see, I had this level here. I want to see if we can break above this daily resistance. It'll be like a third touch breakout here. I like the setup, MACD turning. See if we can break out. On 33, on 34. DPW chart looks amazing. Yeah, Steve, I'll look at DPW in a bit. I didn't see you yesterday, man. Did you take a break yesterday? I didn't hear from you. I checked out DPW yesterday at the pre-market, and I saw we're down like in the 275 or something. But I think it was hitting that uptrend, and as soon as we hit that, we should be back. Just $3 was natural resistance. Plus, we have resistance on the daily, but it'll take a couple of tries before we can break it. I think this is like the second try we get up there. Third time to be the charm. I'm watching this Slno. See if we can get above. Looking juicy. Mm-hmm. Bctx, what is it doing? Downtrending. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try. A little bit of hard time. I was off yesterday. Enjoyed a day with my fiance. Oh, awesome, bro! Congrats. Yeah, sometimes you have to take some days off, guys. You'll get burned out. You have to take a little bit of time off, enjoy time with family and friends. At the end of the day, that's more important than anything. You know, spend time with your loved ones. Because, yeah, money's good and everything, but money doesn't buy out happiness. I read a quote. I'm into Corvettes, right? And I have two Vets, and I read a quote that I shared the other day. I'm like, and it said, "Money doesn't buy happiness, but it buys me Corvettes," and that's about the same thing. Oh, that was hilarious. No, but in all seriousness, yeah, at the end of the day, you know, spending time with loved ones is the best thing because you're not always gonna have them. I lost my dad about 5 years ago. I wish I could spend more time with him. Now that he's gone, even though I did get to spend a lot of time with him, you know, it's just never enough when they leave, when they go. DPW has news. I'll check it out right now. I'm just waiting for this Slno to go. I wanted to break that resistance. Come on, DPW. What are you? How much time is left? Oh, don't tell me it's gonna wait till after pre-market. Okay, here we go. 134. I already tried it like 3 times. All right, let's put some music. Maybe we need some music to get it going. If AMC sells off, big today small caps can dip. Okay. AMC, I'll take a look at it in a bit. I'm just waiting for this Slno. I wanted to break out right here at 135. You can see we have resistance because of that thing. Because of that thing. Because of that line that I have here. You can barely see it, but I had it. I've had it for a few days. Let's go, man. Stop being a snowflake. Let me know if the music is too loud. I'll lower it down. Maybe it's too loud on my speakers. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can dip. We break 136. We're going. Market's open. Let's go, Slno. Let's go. VWAP 127. Let's see if we can hold view up here. Bctx trying. Go to the upside. Resistance at $7. Guys, don't forget to like the video, guys. Subscribe. If you like the video, help me get found in other recommended on YouTube. Yeah, Slno is having a little pullback, but we break that 134. We're gonna go. Let's see. What do we have support here? Breaking below that. Let's see if we can bounce off VWAP there. Bctx wants to. I think that's the lowest float. Bctx is a low float, so we can go. See if we can get a bounce here. Slno. Could be see it Bctx trying SLNO bouncing off the VWAP. Bctx has room to that 772 area, pre-market high. Here we go. Let's see if we can We did bounce off VWAP. Let's see if we can push. Let's start small here. See if we can break. The break, I'm gonna get more. Let's go. There we go. Break one. Let's go. Break it. Slap it. Let's go. Go Slno. Time to go. Let's go, let's go. We should hold that as support now. Come on, nothing else is going. Another thing going, guys, is Dogecoin. Where's Dogecoin? Oh. Okay, hold on. What are you doing, Slno? Let's go. Stop playing around. Yeah, Dogecoin. I mentioned that the daily MACD, look, it wants to curl, guys. When that happens, all the MACD traders are gonna come in. All right. So I mentioned it yesterday. We're up on Doge. Plus, there's some news floating around, kind of hyping it up. Okay, everything's coming down. The only thing holding up is Slno. Oh, Slno. We're gonna have the support now on the first side here. Okay. Let's see if I can get a little bounce here on Tesla. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Nice. All right. Nice 30-50 cent move there on for sellers. That's let us know now. Let's go, man. Here we go. There you go. Okay, I saw it a little too quick on Tesla because I wasn't SLNO and I need to keep an eye on it. Let's go. There you go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Have a little room there. Watch the RSI. Check this out. Why isn't it moving? Yeah, see the RSI right there, downtrend? I'm gonna break that. Let's go, baby. Time to go. Nothing else is going. That's all I know. Time to go. See that RSI right there? Having resistance. We need to break above it. Let's go. Yeah, we're rejecting right here. We need to break above. MACD still looking good. 3-minute histogram. They're showing a little weakness here on the MACD. Let's go, break above it. Rejecting it. Let's go. We need some volume right here. Let's go. Yeah, Dogecoin cannot be bought on Coinbase. I think on... Is it now? Or is it on the 5th? I was reading something like that. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, if it doesn't go right now, we're gonna have to lock something up. It's showing a little bit of weakness there. MACD wants to come down. We have an uptrend here. Bctx had a pullback, now coming back to daily's highs. Come on, Slno. Needs to break now. It is. Let's go. Let's go. Is Bctx halted? I think Bctx is halted. Yeah, Bctx is halted. Bctx halted. It's a low flow, guys. It's gonna move super fast, very volatile. Slno is a lower, it's a higher float. I think it's 58 million in float. 58 or 53. And so it's gonna move a little slower. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Slno. See that? We finally broke above that RSI downtrend. Let's go, one more push. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Thank you, Slno. Thank you. Yeah, Dogecoin. We were talking about Dogecoin. You know, if you go by the charts, whenever the chart's setting up, news always comes out. It's like they know, you know, they know when to release news, when to put the tweets. They know they're looking at the charts. I've been buying this dips right here, and so I'm up nicely right now on Dogecoin. We're hitting this resistance here, and hopefully we can hit 50 cents. Once it crosses, MACD traders are coming in. Let's go, Slno. We got room to 154, 155 here. 150 natural resistance. Nice trade on Tesla, man. And this one. I'm done for the day. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Bctx. This puppy has room to 9. Is 9? Maybe not. Let's see. Yeah, that's 730. Oh, it broke all-time highs. Yeah, I would say $8. Natural resistance $8, and then $8 probably move to that $9, but we'll see. What's my YVR doing? Okay, having a small pullback. I like these digital brands also, guys. I started picking up some yesterday here around the $3 range, $2.90. Added some more. Look at the low, $2.80. Okay, so you can risk a few cents here if it breaks low. But the upside, we have a lot of upside potential, and it's very beat up all the way down. So the BGI is something that may interest you. Like I always say, I look for low risk, high reward setups where you can give a couple cents, but gain, you know, I'm willing to lose always 5-10 cents and gain, you know, 30, 40, 50, $1 gain. There's $8 right there. Oh shoot, I'm in the wrong one. There's $8. Natural resistance. So what's next? 8.25. You can get above $8. Hold on, guys. Let's see where we're at here. And we're coming down to some support, 615. Give me a second here. I'm watching Tesla for another potential scalp here. Okay, what's going on over here? Okay, $8. Yeah, natural resistance got shorted down. Just the whole numbers are always gonna get shorted. Slno still holding up. Just watching Tesla here. It's coming down to some support area on the 613. That's what I'm looking at right here. Let me change the color of it, or make it that is so I can know. Yes, and a new high. Yeah, I think Bctx is halted down. Let's see. 382. Yeah. You're watching Tesla here. We can get a bounce. Yeah. That one didn't work. Okay, let's see here. Slno. Okay, 153. Now we have room to 160. If it breaks, Palestine, you had Bctx at $3. That's awesome, man. That's a great swing. Okay, so we got halted down to the downside, holding VWAP. Remember, this is a fast mover. It can go again. Slno, there's the 154. Now we have room to 160. Awesome job, bro, from $3. Oh, that's a good swing. Remember to take something. Take something with you. Remember, unrealized gains are not yours. So make sure you always take something. I mean, stocks won't go up forever. They will come back down. So make sure you take something. If you don't want to close your whole position, you can always. What I do is I scale. Whenever I'm in a swing, I take profits on the way up. I find my targets and I take. What happens in the past, you know, I've been trading for a while and I wouldn't take anything, and then I would end up losing everything. So I will hold, just wanting more and wanting more. We're gonna hit 160 on Slno. Oh, dang it, I missed the... There's my Tesla scalp here. Alright, I missed it. I'm not gonna chase. Look away, look away. Okay, here we go, back to $8 on Bctx. And Tesla. So I scalped contracts on Tesla, and they move awfully fast. Okay, so that's what I'm saying, man. So what I make on penny stocks, you know, waiting a few minutes. On Tesla, it's within like seconds. Very volatile though. You have to have a lot of I would say practice before you do it, because you can lose a lot of money. Okay, 160, 162, Slno just grinding to the upside. The Bctx is gonna have $8 natural resistance. I think we're halted to the upside now. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those stocks that, you know, it's halted up, halted down, halted up, halted down. Very volatile, low float. Yeah, we might hit that 166 resistance here that I have. And then we have 170, 180 up here. Then ultimately $2, 219. This upper trend line, but we'll see. Ah, man, I missed this little move. It's a nice little move right here. Okay, 163. Look at Slno, guys. Not a single red candle. Okay. Look at the MACD. So could I? Yeah. I mean, you can keep holding, but you have to have your areas where you're gonna take profit. You gotta be disciplined. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Like it. Share it on your social media so we can get some more traders in here. You want to learn how to trade? So Bctx halted to the upside. If it breaks $8, we're gonna probably hit natural 825 natural resistance. Slno holding up this trend line like a champ. Just modify it a little bit. $64 new high. Oh, there's Bctx 858. And we halted again on Bctx. We are halted again. Yeah. So I think we're at all-time highs now, and we could see that $9, $9.90 area resistance there on the trend line. We have a top here, and top here. Yeah, watch out at the open on Bctx. You see the RSI? Every time we top out, we come right back down. So there could be selling as soon as it opens. Look at the stock UAMY. I think I mentioned it yesterday. We got the uptrend, the reversal confirmation there. We do have room to $1, 113. FAMI also might be crossing on the daily. I'm already swinging this one. All right, let's go back, man. 58. What are you guys looking at? Let me know. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Nvcn, not doing I'm trading sideways here. MITO just soaring down. It's just SLNO, guys, and Bctx. Those are the two main players today. Okay, SLNO. Coming back down. I think we broke trend. I think we're gonna test VWAP. Let's see where Bctx opens. Bctx might pop and drop at the open. Just looking at the RSI, there's $9 right there. And down it goes. There's a pop and drop. So it hit $9 and 833 right now. Let's see if it holds. Holding the 840 area. Trying again. AMC's moving today? No. It went after hours today. Just gonna consolidate right now. All right. If Bctx breaks below $8, it's gonna come down to view up around 712. See right here. A little bit on the overbought side. I think we need a pullback. A good entry for Bctx for another move up would be this trend right here that we've been riding on the 630. Because if shorts get a hang of it, get a hold of it, they're gonna cover right here. This is kind of a danger zone right now. Like these two, actually, the upside momentum's still good. 3 minutes. Wants to break $9. Let's see. If it breaks $9, you're gonna get 925, 950 resistance. Every 25 cents is how you play this. Because there's no more chart history to tell you anything. Let's see, go to weekly. Oh, there sure is. You go to the weekly. Here we have some resistance at well, that $12.90, $13 area. So there we go. We do have room to run. I think it's a little overextended. We need a pullback. You're back. All right, man. This what are you looking at, LP? What are you checking out? Where were you in the morning, man? We're checking out right now Bctx. Play some Slno, play some Tesla scalps. Everything looking kind of Gucci here. Okay, Slno new high 165. All right, watch this 8 break right here. We have some support there. That breaks, we're gonna come and test this VWAP. The support felt like a champ right here. Would have been a good good scalp right there on that bounce. Good 25 cents. Bctx, I want to see a bigger dip before I get a play on this one. Just being patient. I don't want to buy at these levels. Yeah, you're looking at Bctx. Did you play it already, LP? Did you play Bctx, or you're in it? You're swinging it? Did you scalp it? Oh, you're still waiting for a good entry. You're in at 7, okay. All right. That $9 right there would have been a nice time to take some off. Make sure you have a plan. Don't give everything back. Remember, this is a low float. This could get shorted heavily to the downside as well, as it can short squeeze to the upside. I'm looking for a dip for an entry. I want to see if we can come and test this VWAP. Okay, Slno got 167 new high and currently coming down. So just kind of pop and drop 10 cents there. Just in at dollars. We're gonna have some support here on the RSI in this area. Right here. Let me put this dotted. Okay, we may get a pullback here on Bctx. Be careful because it can halt to the downside. On the 3-minute, we also have this trend right here around 628. So this would be be a good area to pick up some if it comes down here, and risk a few cents if it breaks below, for a huge potential to the upside. So right now, a lot of indecision here on Bctx. 3 minutes still looks strong. Still looks good, while the 1 minute showing a little bit of weakness. We'll see it is holding that support right here really, really well. So we're back up on 30. This is it, guys. Bctx Slno. This is the top movers today. I don't know if there's anything else. Let's see. I got Express up also. Okay, Express. What happened to Express? I was looking for a dip on that one. It never came and hit my alert. Where's my alert? I guess I wanted it below 4. It didn't come below 4. Okay. So Bctx coming down. Okay, now we're showing some weakness here on the 3-minute. TTM squeeze and the histogram on the MACD. We're gonna have some support here on the RSI, the 35 area. Steven, you're still here? You asked me to check out DPW. Yeah, DPW is currently coming down. We need to break above this trend, man. We've come and we hit 330 last time. We came all the way down. $2, hit $3. That was my target, and now we need to break above that. Break above 3. We're gonna hit this 335 and then possibly 4. So yeah, DPW is looking good on the daily. Bctx, okay. Very choppy Bctx right now. Just kind of up and down moves. Kind of a tug of war game right now between the shorts and the bulls. A lot of stuff happening right now. So there's a lot of bulls getting trapped here going long, and there's a lot of bears getting trapped going short. So let's see which way it goes. Bctx. All right, Bctx kind of flagging here on the 3-minute, probably in the 5-minute as well. Let's see if we can. It's either gonna break to the upside or the downside here. Okay, watch. Watch Slno here. Trying to break that flag. And watch it right back down. Okay, there's a fake out breakout there. A lot of longs getting trapped right there. I was waiting to see if I have follow through. That's Slno also coming down to VWAP. What's Dogecoin doing? It's at 42 right now. Look at the 1 hour. So hitting our resistance right here that we've had for some time now. We can break above that. We can test 50 cents definitely. On Dogecoin. Looking good on the daily though. MACD wants to turn. Okay, Slno coming down. And weakness. Bctx holding up. See what happens here. We have this trend on the R side now. Bctx coming down to VWAP. Okay guys, so 2 days ago we have VTNR, then we had OEG, and now we have Bctx, which is going to be the top watch the rest of the day. If this Bctx can stay above the 200 EMA for the rest of the day and above VWAP at the end of the day, if the trend continues, we should see Bctx run after hours as well and make a new high. Possibly and hit that, what do we have? $12? Around $12.90. But nothing is guaranteed. You have to follow the charts. You have to look at what the charts are saying. Slno now below VWAP. Bctx above VWAP. And I'm 2 for 3 today. I played 2 Tesla scalps. One really nice one in the morning. One really nice. The other one lost small. I gave a little bit back. Not too much. And then Slno was a nice win also. And then we got Bctx. I have not played. I'm not played Bctx. But I'm looking. This is my main watch out the rest of the day probably. This is the lowest float. What is a float? The float is the amount of shares available to the public to trade. So the smaller the float. Right now we have 81 million in volume Bctx, which is and now the leading top gainer in volume. So if the float it's only 5 million, it was 5.8, I said. Yeah, so we've already rotated the shares a few times with this much volume. So what's happening now, guys, is that every time we get a nice big runner, a lot of people get FOMO and they don't want to miss out. So it causes things to run a bit more. Snap. Yeah, Tesla hit this resistance line right here and it's looking to come down. We'll see. CCIV up today nicely. And we're getting a reversal. I was buying dips on CCIV, this area. So I'm up. Looking nice. Let me know if there's something you guys want me to look at. Let me know if there's any charts you want me to look at. I'll check them out for you guys. Guys, don't forget to like the video, please. Like. It'll really help the channel come out on the recommended. Let me know you're swinging something, you want to swing something, you like something. Let me know. I'll look at it. I'll give you my input. I'll give you my view on it. Bctx holding up nicely. Having a lot of support in this area. Here's the MACD though, it's trying to cross below. So we'll see. 200 EMA around 670. So we are gonna have some support here, some support on the 200, and some support here. Very deep areas if gonna pick some up. I hear something outside. Hold on. Something is outside my house. Nothing now. Okay, Slno holding that 140 support. Slno, MACD is crossing below. The TTM squeeze still on the positive side, so we'll see. Back to the right. Let's see if we can break up with this downtrend. I don't like going long though when the MACD is below on the negative side, because a lot of times it's a trap. Here's the RSI though. RSI broke. Trend. Okay, this might want to go. This might want to go. Let's see. Pick up a little bit here, see if we can break out. See, it needs to go. Try, and it needs to hold $8. $8 needs to hold here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Gonna try now. Let's see if we can pop. -6. Okay, it's gonna try. We break 830 and it's gonna move. Let's see, let's see. I'm gonna try. Right there. Go, go, go. Break 825. 830 resistance. Break it. Break it's gonna go to 850. This is the problem I have with it. The MACD is coming down. So it's just gonna be a pop. I'm gonna sell on the pop. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. I took a very small profit there. It couldn't go when I wanted to. I gave it a couple of times, see if it could break out, and it didn't. And I don't like trading when MACD is on the negative side. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. If it goes, it goes. I give it a little bit of time. They want to go. It's gonna try again right here. It's forming a doji. That doji forms a flat bottom. It's gonna go on the next candle. Let's see how many minutes of it. 5 seconds. Okay, might try here. Breaking above doji. Okay, they're trying again. Can't go. If MACD would have been on the positive side, TTM would have been positive. It is on the positive momentum. You can see the darker lines are, it's losing momentum. I would have stayed in. I was liking the setup. I was looking for a quick push to the upside and sell on that push. A quick scalp, knowing that it can flush back down because the MACD is still negative side. So a lot of times, if you've been trading with me, you'll see that when we're negative, we'll have a quick pop and then we'll have a drop. Is everybody looking at Bctx? Let me know if there's something else. Definitely trying that 130, man. There it is, finally. Yep, and there's the drop. There he goes. Yeah, as soon as it broke that the resistance, it was gonna get shorted down. And it happens a lot, and I tell you, because if you look, even though it looks good on the 1 minute, the higher time frame is telling you it has more potential to the downside. So always trust your higher time frame. That's why I use the 3 minute. People that like the 5 minute, you know, it's really up to you what you feel comfortable with. $7.92. See, it's trying to hold $8 still, so I'm not giving up. I've seen a lot bigger drops than this. It's not too bad. YVR, guys, another one I'm watching. Okay, and I'm swinging this one as well. I got it in the low 184 average. Yeah, 184. This one has room to run. You know, it's been bouncing off these levels time and time again. So anything down here, you could buy some, in my opinion, and hold it to the upside. The daily MACD curling up nicely. Still hasn't crossed, but I normally get in before it crosses, because by the time it crosses, you're kind of late to the game. But the candles moving up above the 20 EMA, which I like to see, and holding. So, you know, target 240 to 275 area, looking very juicy on YVR. So I got a tight stop loss. Anything probably below 180. I'm only gonna risk a few cents, and then if it does more, I'll get some more down here in the 165 area. Bctx, let's go back to it. What are you doing? Yeah, so we're below trend now. So be careful. It's forming a squeeze here, and the squeeze could go to the bottom, because MACD is telling us the momentum right now is to the bottom side. So the probabilities of the squeeze happening to the bottom are high. Same thing when we're building a squeeze. Okay, you see the red dots, but MACD is histograms in the green. That means the probabilities of the TTM the squeeze is to the upside. So if you've been here following me on the channel, you've seen us being on squeeze that go to the upside that I'm in, and we get that nice move to the upside just by following the histogram and the TTM squeeze. So stick around, guys. You're gonna see this time happen over and over again. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell so you can be learning along the ways. Still holding this area of support here. Above VWAP, which is good. So we'll just kind of ride this MACD momentum until it's ready to curl back up, and we'll play a nice setup and see if we can get a move to the upside. Harder than VTNR. How about the source news approved FDA? On what? On Bctx? On what? BTNR? What had FDA approval? I said I don't know. See now, Slno, keep an eye on this one for potential reversal. MACD. Alright, looking like it might want to bounce in a little while. We're above the 200 EMA, which is a plus. Let's see if we get about. We can have an RSI divergence here. Have you guys heard me talk about that? When did it make a new low? I'm not sure. But it's when the stock makes a new low and the RSI makes a higher low. Okay, so you have an RSI divergence, which is a bullish signal that, you know, we could turn any minute. Let's go ahead and draw ourselves a trend. The trend is your friend. So we are holding support here at the 140. Next resistance 155. Let's go back to Bctx. Uh-oh, we're getting a gold dot. On Bctx, did it get FDA approval? This 12 months overall survival benefit, advanced breast cancer, 100% resolution, and eye buggling tumor. Where do you see FDA approval? 12 months overall survival benefit, advanced breast cancer. After reporting survival benefits of breast cancer patients. Okay, we have both moving up, Bctx and Slno. We have that downtrend to break. Yeah, Slno had a little nice pop. Look at the TTM squeeze. Okay, showing signs of reversals here. MACD still not quite there yet. One or two more candles, he'll give us a good direction of if it's gonna start curling up or not. Bctx. Yeah, and the thing about news guys playing this low flow momentum stocks is that you can't hold forever. People are just gonna play the momentum. They don't care about the news. They're gonna take their money and they're gonna run. So when the volume, if there's tomorrow another stock comes out with news. So basically the news is only worth it for one day, or sometimes you get a multi-day runner, but overall if there's something better tomorrow, everybody's gonna forget about Bctx. Shorts are gonna come in because a lot of shorts, I have friends that short the market, and some of them don't even short the first day. Okay, they wait for the second, the third day when kind of things shift to another stock and nobody's really watching, so they'll short the heck out of what was running the previous days. So that's why I don't really like to hold anything that has ran already, unless we close really strong at the end of the day. And I'll have a target. I'll pick a target on the daily chart, and then I'll hold it till then, whether it be after hours or pre-market. Yeah, showing momentum to this. So this can have, gotta be careful with this one. Could have a pop and drop. For example, OEG yesterday. Just give you an example. If I were to be holding OEG yesterday, look at where it's at now. Okay, I said yesterday after hours, I'm holding this one. My target is $8. Okay, look at where it hit after hours. It hit at about 8.27. Okay, my target was $8. All right, I didn't care if it went to 9, 10, 12. My target was $8. That's what the daily was telling me. Look at this daily uptrend right here. We had about 8 all the way to 8.14, 8.15. I locked at 8 because it's overall natural resistance. And look at it now. 595. If I would have still been holding. NXTD. I'm looking too chabby. The only stocks I hold is the stocks that I buy at the bottom. Okay, they haven't had that run yet, so I hold those. Those I have no problem holding. But stock that's ran already, you know, this much. Look at that. We're up 154%. Heck no, this thing can come flushing down any minute. It can get an offering. You know, so you gotta be selective. Okay, so we're gonna try here. Break 825, and it's getting close to 1030 now. We've had runners around this time. Let's see if we can break that 1 to 825. Okay, very indecisive here. Then we see MACD starts curling to the upside. We need to break 825, 830 area. So like you're up $1 already, so that's massive gains. I mean, I don't know how much you're in, but for someone who trades like tons of shares, you see, you gotta develop a strategy and just trade that strategy over and over and over and be consistent and be a winner every day. So not hitting home runs because it's just impossible. You're never gonna hit home runs. I used to trade the same way. I would try to hit home runs all the time, and guess what? I would lose more than I would gain. So now it's nothing but base hits. Nothing but base hits. Sometimes if I'm swinging something from the bottom, I'll hit a home run like this. But if I'm buying up here already, you know, they're just base hits. I'm in, I'm out, I'm scalping 20, 25 cents, 40 cents, you know, 50 cents if the move is massive. And that's making me money. So the only difference is the amount of shares that you go in, but as your capital, as you grow your account, that same strategy is going to make you more money. Let's see. Very indecisive here. I'm gonna try to play this break. It needs to go fast. If it doesn't go, I'm getting out. Let's see. Let's see. It needs to go. It needs to go. It needs to go. Let's go. It needs to go now. Yeah, you see it's not going. It's kind of pop and drop. Give it a minute here. It wants to break out. Got a nice volume there. Okay, held pretty well. Let's see if we can go now. Yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, let's go. We need to go now. I had a little win on this one earlier, so I was kind of break even there when I was down. Let's see. I like we got these gold dots right here, and a lot of times we get that breakout. There you go. Let's go. We have room to 170. I mean 870. Let's go. Oh, fill me in, baby. There it goes. Got out there at 850. We have room to 870. 860 now. Okay, it's gonna be very, very volatile because it's a low float. Back down. Oh gosh. Just gotta flush to the downside. Yeah, you see, so we hit at that upper trend. What did we hit? 860. Okay, I miscalculated. I thought we were okay, we were 870, but up here. Yeah, so yeah, we hit that trend and now hit resistance and now kind of flushed down. Very volatile stock, slow float. That's what you expect. If MACD would have already had crossed here, I would have held. But that's the reason why I took a quick, how much did I make? A 30-cent move. 27 to, yeah, I got a 30-cent move on that. So I'll take it. Again, bounce right off support. See if we can move back up. It still has those yellow dots. We still haven't gotten the big move. You were addicted to VTNR, under 50% profit. Yeah, it goes down because shorts are heavy in this, man. It's already up 152%. So there's shorts that are up in this thing since $9. Okay, they're shorting it down. And the only way this can get back up, if it starts squeezing above 9, they have to cover. So they're gonna sell their chairs, you know, back to cover their position, and that's what's gonna cost you to go to $10. But as long as we're not below $9, there's a lot of shorts in there. And any pop, what they do is they add to their position, so it shorts the stock back down. And don't get me wrong, there's a lot of them getting trapped though, like on these moves right here. Longs are getting trapped, and shorts right here are getting trapped. They're buying these moves down, and then it's going up, and then longs are getting chopped up here. See, here we're getting a reversal signal to the downside, so that's not good. We don't get these often, but when we do, not a good sign. It doesn't mean it can't go up. I mean, it can. Nothing's ever 100%. No signals or no indicator ever works 100%. That's why you have to look at everything. You look at your candles, you look at the MACD, you look at the TTM squeeze, you look at the overall trend, you know, and then you look at your bigger time frames. I love the daily and the 4 hour. That's how I get my targets. So today I have 3 wins, 1 loss. I took a very small loss on Tesla after winning on it. Then the second time I lost a little bit. I got out really quick before the loss could be bigger. Okay guys, we can potentially see a drop to 709 here. Watch this carefully. That's the reason when the MACD is negative, and if I play something to the upside, I just scalp it. I don't hold that long. If MACD would have been to the positive side, yeah, I would have held a little bit longer, or probably sold some. More than likely sold some and then ride a little bit. Slno still downtrending. Bctx overall, we're still above VWAP, so that's a very good sign. Very good sign. Holding on strong like a champ. What happened to CPHI? CPHI? I wasn't even looking at that one. Let's see. Is China, are China stocks moving? Sometimes when they move, you have sympathy plays, or it could just be a technical setup. Let's see what happened. 62 to 110. Holy moly. It's a great move. Last news we had was China Pharmacy Holding shares are trading higher after the company reported Q1 sales result up from last year. Is it halted? I don't know, but that was a nice move. Let's see if NXTD can follow. I gave this one yesterday. I'm looking for $1. We have 110 and then we have 130 resistance. Yeah, there's gonna be some nice resistance here on the 107 area. Oh man, it seems like sub paintings are kind of going. Bami also. There's another one I'm swinging. Oh, Bami. Okay, let's go back. Bctx. Okay, Bctx coming down. Bctx, where are we at? Okay, gonna break this upper trend line. Here we break it. Probably gonna test that. We're gonna have VWAP first. If VWAP holds, oh man, there's gonna be a lot of buyers at that, and it's a real good sign. If VWAP holds all the way through lunchtime, oh, that's a real good sign that this thing's gonna keep going. But we'll see. Slno. Yeah, Slno below VWAP, try to break VWAP, and now coming to that 200 EMA. So two are my top favorite indicators on the 1 minute time frame is the 200 EMA and the VWAP. That's normally what I look for, support and resistance. And also look for towards see where the momentum is going. Anything under, I really don't like to trade unless I see something that is great support and I know that it has lots of volume, it's top gainer, then I'll buy it below that. Other than that, I won't. Bctx today's top lit. 98 million in volumes. Great. Top leading gainer. Okay, so now we have two indicators to the downside. Momentum is going to the downside to TM squeeze. We have a gold dot. Good flush down. Good flush down. Around this $7 range. Yeah, CPHI, I don't know, it's just moving. It's a China stock. I'm not sure if China plays are moving up right now or SNDL also moving up nicely. I have a little bit of SNDL, not too much. YVR, what are you doing, YVR? You're doing so good, man. You went up to 213. Did we have a double top there? The 4 hour? And broke above. Volume is decent. Okay, it's 10:30. Let's see what's gonna happen with Bctx. A lot of times we get this lunch runners. Okay, MACD. Look at this. Seems like it wants to cross up. I'm looking around 815. We can break above 815. We could have a move to the upside. Our side almost came down here to the 34 area where we've been bouncing. Maybe it'll still have a little push to the downside. If our side can come down and test this line right here where we've been testing, we've had two nice moves to the upside. Okay, right here, right here. The $34 area. Bctx has the same chart as VTNR. Yeah, low flow, it's very volatile. Okay, just being patient here so we can get a setup. I like the R side to come test this low right here. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, there's that flush I was looking. Yeah, there's that flush I was talking about. There's that flush I was talking about. Remember I told you the yellow dots and momentum was to the downside? So there's the big move. Finally happened. It's not halted, which is a good thing. Let's see if we can bounce right back up and hold above VWAP. So shorts are going to start covering right here, the 200 EMA. Okay, especially those that were in from $9. They're going to start taking their profits right here at the 200 EMA. And then those who buy at the 200 EMA, you know, we're going to start getting momentum to the upside. What happened? Don't forget to like the video, guys. Like the video. It really helps the channel get found. Also, if you haven't checked out my video on the RSI and the 200 EMA, go for it during lunch hours this afternoon. Take a minute to see how I use them to trade to my advantage. Okay, so I know we need to stay above that 200 EMA. Testing it right now. Bctx. Okay, holding that 200 EMA. WKHS. I just got an alert that we're up. Oh, nice. We break above that trend. Nice. I was loading WKHS, just workhorse. It's a long term. I got a bunch of the EVs on the EV sector, and WKH was one of them. We had the low bottoms, and now we're up. So long-term portfolios up really nice the last couple of days. Can't complain. Buying the dip on long-term portfolio, you on large cap stocks, companies that you know are not going anywhere, are always better to hold than these penny stocks. Most of them are trash. Okay, testing 200 EMA again. Hey, look at Doge. What is Doge doing? 41, we hit a high of 43. Yeah, we need to break above this resistance. We can see 50 cents. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna lower my AC a bit. I'll be right back. All right, Bctx. Rock. All right, we are breaking the 200 EMA. We're holding the support at 665. We might get a double bottom here on the RSI. Let's see. Yeah, and we got signal confirmation here, guys, that we're going potentially to the downside. Then we're forming a squeeze. That's why I scalped this play right here, knowing that the MACD was still negative. We should have some support there around 655. We are gonna have support there. The previous support becomes, previous resistance becomes support. Here we couldn't break above here. Finally, we broke. We held support and moved up. So let's see if we can hold now. If we come down to the $6 level, I might pick up some chairs if we go that low. We're getting close to lunch hours, guys. If there's anything you want me to look at, let me know. If there's any charts you want me to look at, give you some technicals, let me know. Don't forget to like the stream, don't forget to like the channel, so I can help out the channel on YouTube. Also be found in other recommended. Okay. Oh, Jan, nice. 735. I started picking some of this one below $7. Keep this one on watch, guys. JN below $7 is a good buy in my opinion. We do have a reversal signal here, and it has room to run to about nine bucks. So first stop would be $8 and then $9. So keep an eye on this one. Any dips below $7, I'm not telling you should. This is not financial advice. I just show you what I'm doing, and then you can form your own strategy and plan. But Jan is one of the stocks that hasn't ran yet, and I believe it's a low float. Let's look at the float on JN. It's a float, 2.3 million in float. This thing can fly. Okay, it gets volume, get momentum. This thing can go for a big run. You can see last time I went for 36. I'm not saying it's gonna go that high, but I would be happy with $9. So keep that one on watch. JN low float. Okay, so Bctx had a nice bounce here at support levels. That could have been a good scalp right here at the support too. He didn't quite hit the 200 EMA, but nice scalp there. If could have done it, I thought about it, knowing it was double bottom, but I already won on this one. I don't really want to give anything back. If it comes down here, I'll start loading for a potential afternoon move. Let's see if we can get down to those levels around $6. 609. SNDO 115. Let's go, baby. Getting some volume here. NXTD doing well also. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. It is lunch hours. I hope you had a great trading day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click the little notification bell. So when I go live every morning at pre-market, you can come in and get my view on the charts and see what's trending, what's moving, what's the lowest float, what are my plans, what is my view. And also check out my my series on some technical analysis that I'm doing on how I use the 200 EMA, how I use the VWAP. I'm going to be doing other indicators and go more in detail on how to use them to be profitable in the market. So you don't want to miss those. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends that are want to get into trading, but they know nothing about it and they want to start learning. They can start looking, asking questions here on the live. So don't want to miss it. Look at this. We're bouncing off this support level. So we'll keep an eye on Bctx and Slno for the rest of the day. That's what I'm going to be watching. That's what you should be watching as well. If we close above VWAP in 200 EMA on Bctx, we could have a potential swing. Don't know yet. We're gonna keep an eye on it. So till next time, guys, again, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys mañana. All right, adios.